morning, students. I am Shudipto, your English teacher, and today I will explain and I will going to teach you the Nightingale and the Glowworm. It is from your book class 8 and the name of the book is New Images. The chapter number is 4. Okay. So before going the main content, I would like to share what happened previously. I mean, what was there in the first, second part. So it is a poem of a nightingale and a glowworm. The nightingale sings the full day, okay, through the full day, and it gives the pleasure to the villagers. After few hours the day is going to an end, still the song of nightingale is not ended. The song of nightingale is not ended. So now what happened? When evening is going to an end, then the nightingale felt that he was hungry. They wanted to have some food, and for this he was searching here and there, and suddenly he saw a nightingale glowing in the darkness. And a glowworm was shining or glittering in the darkness, and the nightingale was sitting on a hawthorn top or a branch of a hawthorn. Hawthorn is a special type of tree with red, white and pink flowers. So after that, to eat the glowworm, the nightingale came down from the top of that very tree. And now the glowworm knew it very well that why the nightingale has come, and his intention was bad, and the nightingale's intention was to eat the glowworm. So these things already known by the glowworm. So the glowworm wanted to motivate the nightingale not to eat him. So it was the main story or the gist or summary, whatever it is, from first part and second part. Now it is the third part, and now I'll explain the third part. Okay? Next. It is stanza 4. Just open your book, page number 37. For it was the self-same power divine. For it was the self-same power divine taught you to sing and me to shine. Taught you to sing and me to shine. That you with music and I with light. That you with music, I with light, might beautify and cheer the night. The songster heard his short oration and warming out his approbation, released him as my story tells, and found a supper somewhere else. So here we just have the word meaning. After that I'll tell the meaning on and onward. I will explain the stanza 4 and I'll tell you the message from the poet and blah blah blah. Now the word meaning, that is for, comma, TWAS. It is it was. It is the short form of it was. BEAUTIFY, beautify. Beautify, it is a verb form of beauty. Okay? It means improve or glow or nurture the appearance of the outer shape. Okay? Songster, SONGSTER. Songster means a songbird, the bird which sings a song. Oration. Oration is a formal speech, especially one gives on a ceremonial occasion. Okay. Warbling, WARBLING. Warbling. Warbling means what? Warbling means it is the present participle form of the word of the main verb, that is warb. WARBLE. Warb. That is it is applicable for a bird, and when it sings or to sing softly and with a succession of constantly changing notes. Okay, from one note to another, another note to another. In this way, frequently when a bird or a man sings his song, it is called warbling. Then approbation, APPROBATION. Approbation. Approbation means approval or praise. Okay. Then released, RELEASED. Released means to set free. It is the past form of release, RELEASE. That is to allow or ensure that to escape from, confident, set free, escape from confinement. That is, you are now free. It is called released. And supper, SUPPER, supper. Supper is an evening meal. Okay, typically light or informal meal. To have some snacks, to eat some fruits, tea or coffee, it is called supper. So now the first line, for it was the self-same power divine taught you to sing and me to shine. Here the nightingale plays a very thoughtful and very intelligent role. What is this? That the sorry, I am very sorry, and not nightingale, the glowworm is playing a very thoughtful and intelligent role. Here the glowworm is trying to understand the nightingale that we all are created by God. We all are created by God. And we all have some unique power. And it is self-same power divine. Means the power, some type of power you have, and some another type of power I have. That is, glowworm is trying to make the nightingale understand that you have the power, you have very divine quality. That is, you can sing very well. It is your quality. It is your power. It is your divine power which is created or which is gifted from God. So you are a songster. You are a bird who can sing a melodious song. But I have also a very divine quality, a divine power, which is also a gift from the Almighty God. That is the portion of my abdomen. is able to emit light. It glitters. And in the darkness, that's why you were able to see me. Why? Because I'm glittering, I'm sparkling, I can emit light from my body. So it is my divine power, and your divine power is you can sing a very melodious or beautiful song. Okay? For it was the self-same power divine taught you to sing and me to shine. Which taught you to sing. It is your power. By the basis of this power, you can sing. And by the basis of my power, I am able to glitter myself, to glitter my body parts. Okay. The next line. That you with music, I with light. As I say, that is, your quality is music and my quality is light. Your quality is music means you can create music. You can create a very melodious song and you can present the happiness, the cheerfulness, the joyfulness to the whole world. Okay? So it is your quality that you can sing a song for a long day from dawn to dusk, and after, when the evening is going to an end, still you are not stopped. Your song is not stopped because you have that type of divine power. And I have also the divine power, which is I am able to glitter a particular body part. And I am always seen in the time of darkness. I am always seen in the time of darkness. The whole night I can glitter myself, and the whole day you can sing your song. So that is the meaning of the line, that you are taught you to sing and me to shine, that you with music and I with light. What a beautiful line it is, isn't it? So the next, mind beautiful and cheer the night. So as you cheer the whole day, the villagers, the valleys, the fields in the daytime, and I can cheer the whole night. I can make the night beautiful. I can decorate the night. Okay? So might beautify and cheer the night. The songster heard his short oration. So in this portion, up to this, the songster means the nightingale was listening carefully. What the glowworm was telling. It is a short oration, means it is a lecture, it is a thoughtful lecture. It is called oration, which have a great importance. It is called oration. So the songster heard his short oration. Whose short oration? The oration was delivered by the glowworm. Okay? And warbling out his approbation, released him, as my story tells, and found a supper somewhere else. After hearing or after having the short oration, the mind of the nightingale was changed. He was bound to think about the matter that yes, it is true. We all are created by the Almighty God, and we all have separately a unique power. Still, I have the power that I can sing a song for a whole day. And a unique power which is in the body of the nightingale, who can, in the glowworm, who can emit, who is able to emit his body part. So yes, it is not false. It is a very truthful matter. And he changed his decision. So previously, he went there to eat the glowworm, and now he changed his decision. He set the glowworm free. Okay? And he flew away another place, and he began to search somewhere else, something else rather than the glowworm. So lastly, the glowworm was capable to save himself with his very thoughtful oration. Okay? So now the summary or the explanation of this stanza 4. The glowworm told that God has created both the glowworm and the nightingale and endowed each with their unique ability. The glowworm, the God who had taught the nightingale to sing and also taught the glowworm to shine. Okay? God had provided each of them with such special talents that they might spread beauty and cheer in the world. After hearing this speech, the nightingale also agreed with the points made by the glowworm. As a result, it let the glowworm go and had something else for supper. As I already told you, the thought oration is very thoughtful, and there was the logic, and it is naturally a truthful matter which was spoken by the glowworm. Okay? The next. Here, the central idea of this poem. As you know, I have already told you that what would be the central idea. It is the same thing. It is the central idea that it is a story of a nightingale and a glowworm. So nightingale spots a glowworm and plans to eat the glowworm or eat it. The glowworm gives a speech that in a bid to save himself. He wanted to save himself, and that's why he gave the speech. He tells the nightingale that the same God has created them both. The same God has created the nightingale as well as the glowworm and each and every earthly body. Each and every earthly body, each and every animal, everything is created by God. And God has given them their unique abilities or unique powers or unique quality, such as the songster or the bard has his unique quality, that is to sing a song, and the other unique quality which is the power of emit light, which is the quality belongs to the glowworm. Okay, therefore they should respect each other. Therefore they should respect each other. And unique use and never harm each other. Uniqueness. Uniqueness means with the speciality for which you are special, for which thing you are unique. It is called uniqueness, and never harm each other. The poet feels that his lesson ought to be learned by varying factions, so that man does not fight with his fellow person, means his friends or other people or other man or other person. Okay, that man does not fight with his fellow beings, and the world becomes a peaceful place. So it was the main thing, that the main thing of the gist of the oration is that we all are created by God. So each and every living person is our relative. So we don't stand against our relative. We always stand for our relatives. Okay? So here it is message from the poet. What type of message he wants to give us? What type of message? Through the glowworm, the poet wanted to convey that all the creatures of the earth were created by the same God. Actually, it is the actual message of the poet, but the poet, very technically, the poet wanted to say this, wanted to convey this message through the glowworm. Okay? In the same way, all men are also the children of the same God. Therefore, they are like brothers to each other. Obviously that. They are like brothers to each other. It is called brotherhood. Okay? It is called brotherhood. That is why the poet asks his reader not to hate their fellow men and to wage war against them. In the end, all men are essentially the same, and so they should stand up for each other. Stand for each other, stand up for each other. Same thing. Here, WAGE, wage war, means to declare war, to provoke someone to fight each other. Next. So it is, students, it is the end of this poem according to the syllabus of Pearson of class 8. Actually, the actual poem still it is running. It is not the end of the actual poem. There are more than 8 lines, but which is not included in your book or your syllabus. Up to this, it is the end of the poem according to the Pearson syllabus. Okay. So now it is the time to have the homework. Please write it down, the homework. Today's homework is which power they both have. Means which power, they mean the nightingale and the glowworm. Which power they both have. Second question is, who gave a oration and to whom? Who gave a oration and to whom? And yes, and the third question is, who is the songster here? Who is the songster here? Fourth question, did the nightingale eat the glowworm? What happened then? So you can add the fifth question, and the fifth question is, what was the main theme? What was the main theme of the oration given by the glowworm? What was the main theme of the oration given by the glowworm? Okay. So students, you have completed chapter number 4. Okay. So now I will represent from the next class the grammar portion. Okay. So till then, be safe, stay at your home. Bye bye.